Pilot Assist function. Pilot Assist is a support function that will help you to drive your car in the middle of the lane, halfway between the visible road lines at the sides. It will also help to maintain an even speed and a pre-selected distance to the vehicle ahead. Pilot Assist acts by adding gentle steering input as well as adjustments of braking and acceleration of the vehicle. It is important to remember that the steering capacity of Pilot Assist is limited. You must steer the car in the right direction when entering a sharper turn or to avoid obstacles on the road. Pilot Assist works best on dry motorways with clear lane lines. Allow some time with the Pilot Assist to get comfortable and familiar with the help the function is offering. If the visibility of the lane lines is poor due to rain, snow, or dirt, you may want to switch off Pilot Assist. How to activate and use Pilot Assist. The Pilot Assist is activated using the left-hand steering wheel keypad buttons. Scroll using the arrows to locate the Pilot Assist symbol and press the center button to launch Pilot Assist. A green steering wheel symbol in the driver display or in the head-up display indicates that Pilot Assist steering assistance is active. If the steering wheel symbol turns grey, steering assistance is deactivated. However, speed and distance control is still active. When Pilot Assist helps to steer the car, allow the system to find the optimum location. To adjust the road position, increase your steering input. Always keep your focus on driving and your hands on the steering wheel. If Pilot Assist discovers that your hands are off the steering wheel, a text message is shown in the driver display. If the hands are not replaced on the steering wheel, additional warnings will sound, and finally, the Pilot Assist will turn off. Steering with Pilot Assist. You can always steer the car yourself, together with Pilot Assist. A slight steering wheel resistance will be felt when Pilot Assist is active and assisting. Be prepared to increase your own steering input, particularly in curves, and do not wait for the car to provide full assistance. If you approach an exit or a road junction, steer towards the desired lane in order to indicate the direction for Pilot Assist. Please be aware that high curbs, roadside barriers, temporary obstacles, like traffic cones, are not detected or may be detected as lane markings. This might put your car very close to obstacles. Turning off Pilot Assist. If the driving situation is not suitable for Pilot Assist, please consider to turn off the function using the steering wheel button. You can easily shift between Adaptive Cruise Control and Pilot Assist by using the left and right arrow buttons. If you want to turn off all assistance completely, use the center button. The Pilot Assist will also deactivate if the brakes are applied by the driver. Note that Pilot Assist is a supplementary aid that regulates the speed smoothly using acceleration and braking. The system cannot handle all situations in all conditions, though. You always bear the responsibility for driving the vehicle safely and that applicable road traffic rules and regulations are followed. See the user manual for further system limitation details.